Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a little tutorial on how to go from a basic bitch to a bad bitch. So today I was running errands and I didn't want to look like a slum, but I also wanted to keep it natural. I didn't want to go full drag today, but now that I am back in my studio, I would like to kind of drag it up a little bit. So this could work as like a day to night tutorial, or if you just want to like refresh your makeup, just follow along. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do to kind of just like refresh my face, I don't want to wipe off my foundation and do like a whole new, primer and foundation routine. So what I'm going to do is refresh my base with the Peyo Paris Anti-Pollution Reviving Mist. And I love the way that this sprays because you're not like pushing like a nozzle on a bottle. Also, this stuff smells amazing. Okay, so next going into foundation, I am using my L'Oreal True Mesh Foundation. I am pale AF right now, so I am a C2.5. The lightest color I think is 1, so that's literally how pale I am. Sometimes when I'm spray tanned, I literally go up to like a 6. So yeah, this girl right here needs help. And I'm using my favorite Shea Nubi Miami Kabuki Buffer. And we're just gonna like lightly go over the areas that I want to highlight because we're gonna do something else for like the contour part. I got this pimple today while I was driving, so we're just gonna cover her up and start with the highlighting process. The foundation on my nose did rub off throughout the day, so I'm just gonna go over my whole nose as well. So thanks to this magical spray, everything is just like going on flawlessly. I didn't have to like wipe everything off and start over. And that's the beauty of luxury products, is that they do their job. So they cost a lot, but they do exactly what they're supposed to do. Okay, so for contour, I'm using the Dior Air Flash. This is the shade 501. I'm just gonna spray a little bit on the brush because we're just gonna be very light with this one. It's just like for contouring, kind of. So I'm just gonna start by going along my forehead, on my cheeks, and while my brush has like all that product on it, I am kind of like rough drafting, and then once like all the product is off my brush, I'm just gonna go back through and blend it. Okay, so next we are gonna do some baking. I'm using the Kylie setting powder in soft pink. It's alright. I feel like they have better setting powders out there. I used to like really love this, but I started to realize it does still go on a little bit powdery, so there's better options out there. But I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the baking process. Okay, so I am wearing lashes right now. These are my everyday lashes. They're called Fleeky. I'm just gonna go ahead and take these off because these are like everyday lashes for me. And when I'm like in my full glam, I definitely want like bigger lashes, as you'll see in a little bit. So it's just time to change them out. So now I'm going into this Morphe palette. I like this a lot because it just has like a lot of options. It's perfect to use as like a day to night palette. I was kind of like using these 2 colors for today, and it was just those 2, but now it's time to darken it up. So we're gonna go to Makeover, which is actually exactly what we're doing right now. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on my crease, but I'm focusing on the outer corners. I'm going to use this color. It's called #NowTrending. And I'm gonna just put this on the center of my lids. And I'm gonna do Side Hustle, and I'm just gonna go ahead and outline that highlight with this color. Okay, so now we're gonna go into this black color. It's called Off Camera, and we're just gonna complete the halo just by going a little bit more outward. I'm gonna start like refilling my eyeliner with this a little bit, and then I'm gonna do a little bit more on the outer corner because I just want a little bit more drama there. So I kind of just like slapped the black on, and that's totally fine because I'm going to blend everything out. I'm just going right back into this color right here called Makeover, and I'm using that same brush that I just used, and I'm just going to go over it, and that's going to blend out the black. I'm going to take some black shadow and I'm going to put it on the outer corner of my lower lash line as well, just for that drama. Okay, so I think that's enough with the eyeshadow. I'm just going to go ahead and brush off all of my bake. So just to bring in a little bit more contour, we're going into this gorgeous Kevyn Aucoin contour book, and I'm just going to use the same brush I used to bake because I'm lazy. And we're going to start with Sculpting Medium, and I might just stick to this color because I'm so light right now, and I'm just kind of like going in and contouring over my contour. So I think this is enough contour. We're going to go into blush. Again, because of my laziness, we're going to use the same brush because it's still doing the job. This is called Snapdragon by Becca, and I know it looks super duper pink, but it actually applies like really pretty. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this just a little bit on the apples of my cheeks. And now it's time for the highlight party. So I'm loving this Ofra Cosmetics that I got. It's called Highlighter Moon Dance, and I got it in my Ipsy. It's so pretty. So let's just go ahead and apply this. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the face. I'm going to go ahead and set everything. This is the NYX Dewy Finish. Okay, so for lips, we're going to do a combo because I love lip combos. I'm going to use this Kat Von D Bow and Arrow as the base, and I'm going to use my new YSL lipstick on top. Starting out with this Bow and Arrow. And now I'm going to put on the YSL Rouge Voluptuous Shine, and this is in shade number 44. So this is like the perfect pink. It goes on so shiny. My lips look full and hydrated and glossy, but it doesn't wear messy. Like, it doesn't feel like I'm wearing a lot. It just feels super natural, and this smells amazing. I wish you could smell how good this lipstick smells. Alright, so now it's time for the fun part. We're gonna put on the lashes and then the wig. So earlier I was wearing Fleeky by Lady Code Shop, and this time I'm gonna wear Hollywood Lisa lashes, and these will be linked down below if you want to grab them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these lashes on. Okay, so you can just see how the lashes do a lot of the work. Like, even if you're like in a hurry and you want to go from day to night, just switch out your lashes because that's gonna be like what makes the most dramatic difference. Okay, so both of my lashes are on. You see what a big difference they made. Now it's time to throw on my wig. Obviously for everyday day to night, like, wigs can be intimidating, but this is just what's gonna do it for me. It's gonna top off my look. So I'm gonna throw this on and I'll be right back. Alright, dolls, so now my wig is on. I feel like a completely different person. I feel totally refreshed, and it was super easy. It was just a couple touch-ups, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed going from a basic bitch to a bad bitch with me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.